morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Thank you for assembling on such short notice. It is with great pride that I announce the appointment of my son, Paulo Torrecampo, as the new Chief Executive Officer of Torrecampo Realty.
That should have been you, Edward. Kaya siguraduhin mo na hindi masasayang ang chance mo sa Cebu.
Paolo, as you step into this role, I expect strong leadership, strategic clarity, and full commitment. We are entering a pivotal year, and I trust you to bring this company to its most successful era yet. Cheers!
Excuse me? Excuse me. Hi, Marjorie. You know what? I hope you're as strong and as understanding as I am.
Bakit niyo po nasabi yun, Ma?
Alam mo, open secret naman na nagkaroon ng mga ibang babae si Greg noon. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi yon ang pinakamatinding kabit ng asawa ko. Ang pinakatotoong kahati ko ay ang kumpanya, the empire, the responsibility, the position. Ngayon, pareho na tayo, Marjorie. So dapat ngayon pa lang, you need to accept na may kahati ka na sa asawa.